Hi, I'm John Walter, and this is a reflection of learning using hypermedia and hypertext tools for education, the final assignment for MIT 822. This presentation was designed as an ebook that is interactive. As you flip through, you'll notice videos like the one on this page that you can watch to provide additional information. Hypermedia and hypertext are linked elements in a web browser that link to additional information. But what makes it interactive? Hypermedia and hypertext allow users to interact and navigate web-based content with the click of a button or other computer functions. Information is no longer a one-way street, but it's non-linear, where users can take turns to new information whenever they would like. Web-based tools are browser and internet-based applications, programs, and software that help users perform specific functions. We learned about and used several web-based tools throughout this class, and I'm going to go over some of the ones that I found most effective and engaging. Bitmoji is a free app that allows users to create expressive avatars. The app is free, but you have to have a smart device to use, which might limit some students. Additionally, some Bitmoji avatars are not age appropriate, so they would need monitoring if they were going to be used in the classroom. Augmented reality helps bring classroom lessons alive and enhance the learning experience by promoting student engagement. Utilizing these new and emerging technology provides additional layers of context and information for extended learning and provides an interactive experience. You can click the link at the bottom of this page to a second ebook that I created that provides more information about augmented reality and its uses. 360-degree video creates a more immersive video experience for students that gives them the ability to compare and contrast the experiences of normal video against 360-degree video and allows them to explore the creation of their own 360 videos through new technology. You can click the link in this video to see a wonderful example of storytelling utilizing 360-degree video. Google Earth is an amazingly powerful tool that allows students to explore and visit new places, locations, and settings in 2D or 3D that would require travel beyond the typical field trip. Students can create their own tours and develop a better and deeper understanding of location, place, and setting. Coding. Computer coding is now a critical and essential skill for all to have a basic understanding of, as more people create or manage their own websites, apps, and computer software. I recommend using Khan Academy or Code.org to learn code, as they are both free resources and nonprofit organizations. So my big takeaways. Learning new technologies can be intimidating and challenging, but with research and experimentation, I've developed new skills and learned about new tools that can help me create a more engaging classroom. I went from not knowing very much to feeling like my mission was accomplished.